This installation video is for using Delta Control's Model HRG refractory drilling system. The Model HRG is comprised of the drill guide, drill bearings, water swivel assembly, core drill bit, and drill bit extension. Required tools include a heavy-duty drill motor with a 0.5-inch chuck, at least one adjustable wrench, pliers, and lubricant. Other required supplies include electrical or pneumatic supply for the drill and a water supply for drilling. Drilling the hole without the use of water is possible, but drilling will be much slower and may require more than one core drill bit. Before drilling, inspect the nozzle. Verify that castable has not entered the nozzle. Castable should be flush with the inside of the reactor shell. Place the HRG drill guide on the nozzle flange and align it centered on the flange. The guide tube should not contact the refractory surface. Using two studs and associated nuts, secure the drill guide by tightening snugly. Do not over-tighten. Assemble the core drill bit to the water swivel. Apply lubricant to threads before assembly. Turn on the water and adjust the water flow to a slow trickle, which is approximately 60 millimeters per minute. Ensure drill bearings are on the core drill bit. These bearings center the core drill bit in the drill guide during drilling. The core drill bit is optimized between 1000 and 1400 RPM. Insert the core drill bit into the guide and begin drilling the hole. Ensure the lower bearing is inserted into the guide tube and the upper bearing is secured in the guide flange. Once drilling through all layers is complete, turn off water and remove the drill. Remove the drill guide. The nozzle is now ready for thermocouple installation.